Hey everyone, Derek here with Stellar One, and welcome to Season 3 of Escape Velocity, where we tackle the business nightmares that keep you stuck and show you how to break free. Today we're diving into a problem head first that's turning your CRM into a digital graveyard: data decay and incomplete records. Here is the reality. Your CRM is full of outdated contacts, missing email addresses, duplicate entries, and deals with no next steps. It's supposed to be your sales engine, but instead it's a graveyard of good intentions. Your sales reps don't trust the data, so they keep their real contacts in personal spreadsheets or just their phones. And leadership is now making decisions on pipeline data that's complete fiction. So why does this keep happening? 3 reasons. First, no required data standards at the point of entry. Reps can create contacts and deals with minimal information, skipping email addresses, phone numbers, company details, or deal stage because the system doesn't force them to fill it in. Garbage in, garbage out. Second, CRM is treated as a reporting tool instead of a working system. Data gets entered to satisfy management's pipeline reports, not because reps actually use the CRM to manage their relationships and deals. So updates stop the moment the report is generated. The CRM becomes a checkbox, not a tool. Third, no ownership or accountability for data quality. Nobody is responsible for maintaining accurate records, so contacts decay over time. People change jobs, email addresses bounce, deals stall with no follow-up. Your CRM becomes a digital junk drawer. Here's what this costs you. Sales reps abandon the CRM and build shadow systems. They keep their real contacts in personal spreadsheets, phones, Gmail, or notebooks because they don't trust the CRM data. This makes the official system worthless and creates massive risk when reps leave. Their entire book of business walks out the door with them. Marketing campaigns fail because contact data is garbage. You're sending email campaigns to bounced addresses, calling disconnected phone numbers, and mailing to outdated locations. You're wasting budget and damaging your brand with poor targeting based on incomplete or incorrect information. And leadership makes decisions based on fantasy pipeline data. Deals sitting in proposal sent for 6 months with no next steps inflate your forecast and hide reality that your actual pipeline might be anemic and you're about to miss quota by a mile this quarter. You think you're on track until it's too late. Here's how you fix this mess with 3 steps. Step 1, implement mandatory fields and duplicate detection rules at the point of entry. Make critical fields required when creating contacts and opportunities. Email addresses, phone number, company name, deal stage, expected close date, non-negotiable. You can't save the record without having them. Set up automatic duplicate detection that flags when someone tries to create a contact or company that already exists. This prevents the data fragmentation that destroys CRM utility. The best time to ensure data quality is when it's being entered, not 6 months later when it's already polluted. Step 2, establish a no contact left behind policy where every interaction requires a dated next step. Every call, email, meeting, deal activity must include a specific next action with a date attached. Follow-up next week is not acceptable. Send pricing proposal by Friday, March 15th. That should be the standard. This forces intentionality and creates accountability. Deals and contacts without next steps are dead, and they should be marked as such rather than cluttering your active pipeline with zombie opportunities. Step 3, run monthly incomplete record reports and quarterly team data cleanup sessions. Generate monthly reports showing contacts missing key information, deals without next steps, and stale opportunities with no activity in 30+ days. Then, assign them back to the responsible reps for updating or archiving. Schedule quarterly data cleanup sessions where the entire team blocks time to purge duplicates, update contact information, and close out dead deals. Make data hygiene a team sport with visible metrics. Track data completeness scores by rep and celebrate improvements. Clean data is a competitive advantage, and maintaining it requires ongoing discipline, not one-time heroics. Here's what changes when you fix data decay. Your reps actually use the CRM. When the data is accurate and complete, it becomes a tool that they can rely on instead of avoiding. They stop building shadow systems because the official system actually works. Your marketing campaigns perform. When you're sending to real email addresses and current phone numbers, your response rates climb. You're not burning budget on bad data. Your campaigns reach the right people with the right message. And your pipeline becomes trustworthy. Leadership can make confident decisions because the forecast reflects reality. Deals in your pipeline are real opportunities with real next steps, not ghosts inflating your numbers. Look, a CRM is only as good as the data inside it. Incomplete, outdated records don't just make the system less useful, they make it actively harmful because you're making decisions based on lies. The outdated way of letting reps enter whatever they want, hoping they'll clean it up later, treating the CRM as a reporting burden instead of a sales tool, that creates the mess that you're living right now. Set those mandatory fields this week. Implement the next step policy. Schedule your first data cleanup session. Do this, and in 90 days, your CRM will finally be what you paid for. A sales engine, not a data graveyard. I'm Derek with Stellar One. If you're ready to escape the nightmare of CRM data decay or any of the other problems we tackle in this series, visit us at stellar1.io. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.